How to download YouTube in mobile. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to download YouTube application on your mobile device. While YouTube is often pre-installed, let's explore the process, including updating the app for optimal performance. Start by checking if YouTube is already a system application on your mobile device. If so, you might just need to ensure it's up to date for the latest features and improvements. Open the YouTube app on your device. If it's a system app, you might see a prompt to update for the latest version. If prompted for an update, follow the instructions. Updates often bring new features, bug fixes, and enhanced performance. Let the update process complete. In case YouTube isn't a system app or needs an update, head to your preferred app store, type YouTube in the search bar, look for the official YouTube symbol to ensure you are downloading the authentic app. Click on the YouTube app from the search results. If it's not installed or an update is available, you will see options like install or update. Click on install or update based on your situation. Allow the process to complete and you're ready to dive into the world of videos and content. Once the installation or update is done, return to your system app, launch YouTube, and now you have access to a world of videos, channels, and exciting contents. Take advantage of YouTube's features like personalized recommendations and many more. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.